We're just doing the introduction of Dory and the puppy to the other dogs. Him it is. So we're just going over and we're going to introduce the puppy, and my nana's here, so she's going to get to hold the puppy and say hello. So Dory's been really good. She's just here. So she's really good. She's okay with the puppy being here. So I'm going to put the puppy down with my nana now. Nan, I would like you to meet baby Lunar.
Hello?
You can give him a little pat and stuff. Dory, you okay? It's alright.
Hello, darling.
And this is Griffin. She's totally okay with saying hello and stuff. She's fine now. We'll be doing a little bit of scent introduction and stuff. Good girl. Oh, not too close, Griffin. Not too close. Good boy. Good girl, Dory. Good boy. Yeah. He's so excited. Dory's just saying that's close enough. Good girl, Dory. Good girl. Good girl. Griffin's gonna sit here and wait. He knows he's gonna stay a little bit further away. Hello, you're a daddy. That's your baby. That's your baby, Griffin. You excited? The Dory's totally fine. Her hair's not up on her back. She's alright. She's just giving the puppy a good clean. Griffin said he's so excited. You happy you got a little baby boy? Hey, Griffin, you happy you got a baby boy named Lunar? Good girl, Dory. So she's fine. She's like, yep, he's okay out with Nan. Can I hop down, Dad? I'm like, sure, Pika. So she's gonna go for a run now. And she's fine with her being up with Nan. Hop back up. Okay, he's okay. So she puts her fur up rather than just doing a little grab. We'll move Griffin, but look how patient he is. He's just sitting here chilling, waving his tail. He's a good boy. Can you come sit with Daddy? Hi, yeah. Hi, buddy. Hey, buddy. Kisses. She can hear my brother-in-law outside. Oh, is Zach out there, is he? Oh, is he really? See, all right, I might take her back. Well, that is the introduction of beautiful Dory. Griffin.
Oh my god.
Thank you. It went really well. Dory's fine.
Okay, Dory.
Say hello, baby girl. Griffin's doing good. He's so patient. Like, he just sits back and he's like, let me know, mummy, when I can come in. Hi, baby girl. Puppy's doing good too. All right. Mwah.